Hi everyone, welcome to Hashtag Network. Today I'm going to show you how to use emojis on a computer, whether you are using on Windows or Mac. Emojis can make your message fun and expressive, so let's get started. If you are using Windows computer, here is how you can quickly access emojis. First, open any text field like document, email, or chat. Then press Window keys and V on your keyboard. For Mac user, press Control, Command, and space. These will open emojis picker windows. Now scroll through the category or type a keyword to find the emojis you want. Once you find the emojis you want, click it and it will appear on your text. And that is for today's tutorial. I hope this helped you learn how to use emojis on a computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hashtag Network for more awesome tips. So see you in the next video.